trucked out.
Right, situation update. Not sure if you can hear me, but the suspension's just snapped off the mounts. The arm is okay, it's just the mount that mounts it to the actual frame is snapped, and the suspension is now just given up. So we'll have to try and get back on one suspension arm on this side and two on the other. So see what happens from here now. Right, I'm not sure if you could see that in the last clip, but the second one on this side just snapped. Oh no! Yeah, it snapped. It's completely kaput. Oh, there it is. And that's not good. Right, so I've managed to kind of put it onto once. It's only one side of the tab has snapped off. The other one, both of them snapped off. So I've kind of sort of wedged it and hopefully make it about the next 50 feet that is to the car. So let's see if this works. Right, damage assessment. Right, so it does look like the I'm not sure if you can see it actually. Right there and there, it's just completely snapped it out and twisted it basically. It's like a twist action, and it's just delaminated all the layers on the 3D print. So I need to redesign that to make that a bit stronger. and as you can see, the other half is still bolted to the chassis. And then this one, only one side snapped. Same thing again, same sort of break, and this side just hanging on for dear life. So I'm glad it's that's broke, not this, because these take much longer to 3D print, but these are nothing really. So a quick redesign and we should be good. And then this side was alright, but you know, as soon as this one broke, all the weight was on that one, and I wasn't really surprised when this broke, but it was just literally like over there, it just snapped and gave up. So that's it for this video. Those two, they're brilliant. Did a video on that on its own, so go check that out, and then I got these coming up soon. So thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye for now.